This segment will share the success of South Carolina farmer Jeff Huggins as he captures 56 hogs in December using the M.I.N.E trapping system. Our motion-activated cellular camera provides unlimited text pictures to your cell phone for only $20 per month. This system allows users to gather intelligence 24 hours a day from their home or office while saving time, money, and fuel. The M.I.N.E gate is then closed by the user at the optimum trigger time with a simple phone call to the unit. Crop damage to Mr. Huggins' peanut fields had caused a great deal of profit loss during 2012. His first trap enclosure caught an entire sounder of 20 hogs on December 4th. Here we see 4 pregnant sows carried 20 fetuses, which average 5 pigs per sow. We cannot stress enough the importance of conditioning the entire sounder to the trap enclosure until all pregnant adults are comfortable feeding. These 4 sows would have easily replenished the herd numbers during the next few weeks. There are 3 important steps to our capture success matrix. First, condition hogs to trust the bait site as a daily food source. Second, condition hogs to trust the corral enclosure as a daily food source. And third, use picture or video intelligence gathered on site to select the optimum trigger device and time needed to capture the entire sounder. Mr. Huggins had already begun baiting another field at the same time the first 20 hog capture was made. He estimated between 30 and 40 hogs were feeding at this location from the pictures. They baited for 10 days with corn until hogs were consistently feeding every night. This action satisfied step 1 of the capture success matrix. On December 13th, the trap enclosure was built, camouflaged, and then baited with 2/3 inside and 1/3 outside the trap. Baiting a small amount outside the gate is necessary when there are more adults than juveniles. This stage will help adults trust the new enclosure by feeding near it for the first time. Here, only 3 hogs crossed the gate threshold on the first night, December 14th. He rebaited with corn on day 2. Usually, it is not necessary to bait outside the enclosure after the first day. It forces adults to use the enclosure quicker as they must step inside the gate threshold to feed. Here, a few more adults feed inside the trap on the second night, December 15th. A majority of the group used the trap enclosure on the third night, December 16th. I commend Mr. Huggins for being disciplined. Many trappers would have been satisfied catching 20+ hogs, but the reality is a premature trigger would have educated nearly half the sounder that night, making it very difficult or impossible to ever trap them in the future. The following is a scenario which usually happens when outside shooting or hunting pressure changes the sounder's travel or feeding pattern. Here, 1 pregnant sow fed on night 4. Only 1 sow and 6 piglets arrived on night 5. Then no hogs fed at the bait site for the next 2 nights in a row. This is usually when you begin second-guessing yourself, thinking you should have dropped the gate when you had 20+ in the trap on December 16th. You start thinking 2 weeks of labor, baiting, and conditioning have been wasted. Then everything changed on December 20th at 21:32 when the first group began feeding. They were only on site for 25 minutes before they left. A lone adult fed at 23:38, and then the floodgates opened 15 minutes after midnight. The trap continued to fill with hogs for the next 30 minutes until Mr. Huggins received this text picture on his phone at 0047. He immediately called the trap and dropped the M.I.N.E gate on 36 crop-destroying hogs. Here is the first picture he received after dropping the gate. They killed all 36 hogs within the hour to prevent any escapes, and then posed the group for pictures during daylight hours. There were 19 sows and 17 boars. Using the earlier fetus count, with a 5-pig average, these 19 sows were capable of producing 95 more offspring on this farm during the next few months. Mr. Huggins reported they have captured a total of 126 hogs in 5 traps during December and January using the M.I.N.E trapping system. Congratulations on your success, and thank you for sharing pictures of 36 hogs in 1 trap with us. We love to see happy customers using our products to produce great results. Continue to give us quality feedback so we may design new products and technology for future applications. The next video in our series will continue to demonstrate feral hog behavior so viewers will better understand how to accomplish 100% captures for more effective hog control. Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment or learn more about the methods and technology needed to better control feral hog populations in your area.